Good evening, my name is Krisida Brita Mulyawan, and now I will explain about the criminal law of a country that makes the maple tree its national symbol, Canada. Law is a body of rules of action or conduct prescribed by controlling authority and having binding legal force. There are two different legal systems, common law and civil law. The Canadian legal system is unique. Canada's legal system is a bijural system that combines common law and civil law traditions. Civil law is used in Quebec for private law. However, for criminal law, including Quebec, uses the common law system. The common law system is based on customs and jurisprudence. Decisions follow previous decisions in similar cases. Criminal law regulates acts that are considered crimes or violations against the public interest and establishes sanctions or penalties for perpetrators, such as imprisonment, fines, or death penalty. This law aims to maintain order and public safety. First, main sources of Canada's criminal law. A Canadian Criminal Code is a federal law that governs most criminal offenses in Canada and the rule for their enforcement. B. Youth Criminal Justice Act contains rules and procedures that apply to young people from the ages of 12 to 17 and emphasize rehabilitations or the opportunity for youth to mature. C. The Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms is a part of Canadian Constitution that protects the fundamental rights of citizens. Second, types of major crimes in the criminal code. A. Crimes against the person, for example, kidnapping, murder, sexual assault, and others. B. Crimes against property, for example, theft, fraud, robbery, and others. C. Illegal drug offenses, like using or distributing illegal drugs. D. Traffic-related offenses in criminal level, for example, driving under the influence. Third, classification of crimes in Canadian law. A. Summary conviction offenses, example, simple assault, punishable by a maximum 6 months in prison. B. Indictable offenses, example, murder, rape, robbery, punishable by long prison sentences, including life imprisonment. C. Hybrid offenses, offenses that fall between indictable and summary offenses with a maximum sentences of up to 18 months in prison. Fourth, types of sentences or commission of penalties. 1. Discharge. There are two types of discharge, an absolute discharge and a conditional discharge. 2. Probation, out of custody but is supervised by a probation officer and must follow any conditions. 3. Fine is a set amount of money that the offender pays to the court as a penalty. 4. Restitution. The offender has to pay the amount of money to help cover victims' financial losses. 5. Imprisonment. In Canada, there are two types of imprisonment: a provincial prison, punishable by less than 2 years, and a federal prison, punishable by 2 years or more. 6. Conditional sentences. A sentence served in the community, not in the prison, with restrictions. 5th, criminal court proceedings. First, crime report. Second, police investigation. Third, arrest. Fourth, indictment by the prosecutor. Fifth, preliminary hearing. 6. Bail hearing. 7. Disclosure, providing all evidence. 8. Pre-trial conference. 9. Trial. 10. Verdict. 11. Sentencing. And the last is appeal if necessary. 6. Agents of law. 1. Police handle investigations, arrests, and evidence collections. In Canada, there is RCMP or Royal Canadian Mounted Police, which is Canada's national and federal police, as well as provincial and municipal police forces. 2. Prosecutors, responsible for presenting charges during court proceedings. 3. Lawyers, protect the rights of the offender and provide legal strategy and defense. 4. Jury, hearing all argument and decide the offender is guilty or not.